In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PNL in TradingView Mobile. PNL stands for profit and loss, and setting it up visually on your chart makes it much easier to plan trades and understand risk and reward before you place anything with your broker. Start by opening the TradingView Mobile app. Once you're in, head to the Charts tab at the bottom of the screen so you're looking at a live chart. This is your workspace, sometimes called the canvas, where we'll drop the tools that display PNL. Next, tap the pencil icon at the bottom to open the drawing tools. This is where TradingView keeps trade planning tools that overlay directly on your chart. In the tool search or list, type long position, then select it and drag it onto the chart. As soon as it lands, you'll see a green area for potential profit above your entry and a red area for potential loss below it. Drag the central line to set your planned entry. Then, use the top and bottom handles to place your take profit and stop loss levels. As you move these, TradingView updates the PNL metrics on screen, so you can see risk to reward and estimated movement in real time. Take a moment to align these levels with logical areas on your chart like recent highs, lows, or key zones. Now repeat the process for the other side of the market. Type short position, select it, and drag it onto the canvas. This version flips the colors, showing potential profit below your entry and potential loss above. Adjust the entry, stop, and target the same way to visualize short side PNL. To refine your exits, tap the up and down icon to open the exits panel. Here you can fine-tune take profit and stop loss values with more precision, which helps you lock in the exact levels you want reflected in your PNL display. Remember, these tools are for planning and visualization. They don't place orders automatically. Use them to clarify your risk, confirm your reward, and keep your trade plan consistent every time you open a chart.